So recently I laid my hands on the DJI Mini 4K drone. As you can see, I have the battery, I have the drone itself, I have the controller. So basically what I did, like everyone would do normally, is, unbox and then connect the controller to the drone. I charged all the batteries, I connected the cable. I'm using an iPhone, so I'm using the iPhone cable to connect to the controller. And for some weird reason, when I try to take off, it says aircraft connected to USB. And that's pretty strange because, even as I speak to you right now, there is no cable connected behind the drone and it's still saying aircraft connected to USB. So I found that pretty strange. So one of the first things I did was to go online. I went to the DJI website and got the DJI Assistant 2 software. Now I used that to update the firmware to 1.07 and I updated the controller as well to 1.0. Now I connected both of them again and it still kept saying aircraft connected to USB. So I disconnected both. I tried to pair them again, exactly the same thing. I practically wiped it clean, tried it again, the same thing. So I got frustrated actually. Then I went online and I started having a chat with DJI. And I spoke to about like 3 representatives. The first guy didn't understand what the problem was. The second guy also didn't understand what the problem was. The third guy who I was speaking with asked me if I had downloaded the Assistant 2 app and tried to refresh the firmware of the drone itself, the Mini 4K itself, which I said I had done. He asked me if I had also done the same thing for the controller, if I had also updated the firmware, and I said I had. So basically we tried everything, it still did not work. And so he told me to get the QR code, which is right behind the battery compartment of the drone itself, and he checked my warranty. Now, I'd been struggling with this thing for about 1 month. I'd gone online, I went to YouTube, and nobody seems to have this same issue that I'm having, except for like maybe 1 or 2 people who said they had an issue with the Mavic 3 Pro, that he said exactly the same thing and their drone wouldn't fly. So the DJI rep checked and said my warranty was from Egypt. So he said I had 2 options. It's either I take it to their service center or I take it back to where I got it from, which was Camerajoint, and just to find out what they were going to say. So what I did was to hand it over to Camerajoint, and Camerajoint was nice enough to just replace it with a brand new drone, and which is one of the reasons why I like getting every equipment from Camerajoint. Usually someone would tell you, oh, if you buy from somewhere, they will tell you, okay, let's send it to the service center. I'd been struggling with this thing for 1 whole month to no avail. Now, lest I forget, the error code he was giving me was 30254. It basically said, unable to take off, disconnect aircraft from USB and try again. So, of course, I punched in that code and nobody seems to have a solution to the reason why it's giving me that error code. So this is the old one and this is the new one. You can tell this is the controller to the old one and this is the former Mini 4K. This is the new one. And if you look at my screen, you can notice all it's saying is no satellite positioning. It actually gives me room to take off. Of course, I can't fly it right here because I don't have so much headroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the drone on the floor here. Hopefully that camera will be able to pick the angle so you can actually see the drone lift off. Alrighty, so this is the moment of truth. We're going to lift off and let's just see if our problem is solved. Here we go. There we have it. So our drone is fine and it's lifting off. So obviously we don't have the same issue that we had initially before. The drone is in perfect condition. There it is. So we're good. Let me bring it down. There we go. Perfect. So that's basically the end of that problem. Alrighty, so that's the end of that problem. So just in case you have the same problem where your drone, I pray you don't have that issue, but should your drone tell you aircraft connected to USB, all you have to do first and foremost is obviously be sure that the aircraft is not connected to the USB. That's one. Then two, download the DJI Assistant app from the DJI website. There's one for Mac, there's one for Windows. Download that, then upgrade your firmware if you haven't already. And you can also refresh your firmware. Do the same thing for the controller. Now you have to log in into the app with your DJI credentials. So that's your email and your password before you can do that. And once you do that, try pairing your aircraft together. If it doesn't pair together and it still tells you aircraft connected to USB, your best bet is just take the drone back to where you got it from. I would advise you do not void your warranty by trying to be a scientist and poking the drone, because once you start messing with the drone yourself, you're messing up with your warranty. Just take it back to the service center or take it to where you got it from and you should be good to go. And that's it for this review. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any other issue with the drone that you think I probably didn't cover, please let me know. And if you guys have any issues about your drones likewise that I don't know, please let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao.